Hello guys, in this video we will see how to use some of the features of Google Slide to make a presentation. Let's say you have a science fair coming up and you want to make a project on Google Slide. Let's say you want to make a presentation. So let's start with using the features of that. Okay, so I just picked science fair template as you see over here. So how to I get this point? Once you go to Google Slides homepage, once you click on Slides icon through Gmail, which is the yellow one, so it will direct you to homepage, this one. So as you see, template gallery, once you click on this one, then it will give you some options of templates. So let's go to education. It is all the way bottom. Once you go there, guys, you see science project template and science fair template. So I will go with this. Let's go there. You may change the theme, guys, over here. As you see, there are some options for themes. You may just pick one of them if you want to change it, and you just click on import theme. Okay, and let's say you want to change transition. Once you go to another slide, then you want to see kind of transition motion. Let's say you want to just use a flip option. You just click on that. You may apply to this transition motion, guys, to all of them as well, to all slides if you want. Let's see how is it going to be, guys. Once I click on play, then yeah, it will be like this. Okay, you can just stop it. So there are some options, guys. If you don't like, for example, this solve, then you may just try another one. And before you apply it, guys, to the slides, then you may just click on play to see how it looks. Okay, so another feature is you may change the layout over here, guys. Okay, you may pick any layout, whatever you want. You may also change the background. You may change the color. You may just pick an image over here, like as a background. Okay, then you just click on done button. Okay, so let's say you want to add a new slide. On the corner, on the left corner, the upper left, it says new slide. Also, you may add a new slide, guys, with Control M button. Okay, you either add a new slide by itself or with layout. Let's add a new slide with layout. Let's pick this one as an example. It says title and 2 columns. Okay, so I just have this one. I just put a title. Let's say plant growth. Okay, so let's say you want to put this title in the center of the page. Let's click on this. Let's just exit this one and this one as well. So you just align it. There's an align icon here. Once you click on this one, you just pick the second one. Okay, it says center, as you see. So you will be able to put the title in the center if you click on that. All right, then you may also change the font size. As you see, the font size part, you may just make the number bigger like this. Okay, then it is getting bigger. And you're not happy with the font type, guys, then you may change the font type over here. There are some options, guys, in the list, but if you didn't like any of them that has been given over here, then you may pick any other fonts, guys, over here. It says more fonts. Once you click on this, then it will give you so many options. Okay, so let's say you want to pick this one and this one. Then what you do is you just click on OK button. Okay, then it will show up in your list. All right, guys, and what else you can do is, let's talk about border weight. So you will put your text here, guys, and you want to change the line over here. It is kind of thin. You just make it thicker. So what you do is you just click on border weight icon and you'll see these numbers. Once the number is getting bigger, guys, and you will have thicker line, thicker border. Okay, let's say you just pick 4, number 4. As you see the difference, right? Okay, so how to change it again? It says border weight. All right, then let's say you put the text here and you want to add an image or a video on the next column. So how to insert a video or an image, guys? Let's go to insert part. You just click on insert. It says image that you can upload with text box, audio, video. All right, let's say you want to add a video. So let's say you want to pick this one. You just click on that. By the way, you can search up a video, guys, on YouTube or from your Google Drive as well. You can just insert. Okay, so I'll get one from YouTube, guys. I just click on this and I just select the video. So it will come up like this. So how to change the position of it? So let's say it is kind of big for you. You just want to make it small. So you just click on this. You can just make it small like this. There is another way to change the size, guys. You may use format options. It is under size and rotation feature. So once you click on the video, then you may change the numbers here. So once you have bigger numbers, then you will be having bigger size of the video. Okay, so let's say you want to fit it in this column, then you may need to have smaller size. All right, so let's say you want to just put it in this box, in this column. Okay, you may just leave it like this. So by the way, it is kind of a long video, then you don't need to show all of them. Let's say you just want to show the some parts of the video. Let's say the video will starting from minute 3 till, let's say, minute 4. Okay, you just put the starting time and ending time. All right, that way your video will just start from 3rd minute and will end up 4th minute. Okay, so it was another feature. All right, guys, hopefully it was helpful for you. Hopefully you can use these features easily. All right, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.